How to cheat on Pearson Vue test. OnVue cheating tips and tricks 2025. Hey, welcome to Cert Tricks. Today in this video we are going to discuss what are the best ways to cheat on Pearson Vue test, or what are the best OnVue cheating tips and tricks in 2025. If you are looking for help in your online exam, then this video can be very helpful for you, as in this video we are not only going to discuss how it is possible to cheat on Pearson Vue or OnVue exam, but we will discuss how you can get help in your online exam that is proctored on OnVue. How to cheat on Pearson Vue test. Many testing organizations use Pearson Vue as a proctoring software to take exams, and many of the certification exams are usually proctored through OnVue proctoring software. OnVue works in such a way that it runs various steps, where it checks the internet connection, and at one step, it secures the device by closing all other apps except Pearson Vue. At this step, all the apps are closed by OnVue. Old tricks of cheating on OnVue. There has been many ways to cheat on online proctored exam that varies from conventional methods of cheating to more advanced ways of cheating on Pearson. Conventional methods of cheating on Pearson Vue. Screen sharing. Many students try to cheat on Pearson Vue by using the screen sharing technique, but this technique is no longer usable in OnVue testing because OnVue can detect the screen sharing apps and can close it. Virtual machine method. In this method, virtual machine setup is done in test taker device, and with help of that test taker can share screen with anyone to get help. But this so complex method and takes so much time and expertise to do so, it's also obsolete. Technical expert method of cheating on Pearson Vue. In this method, test taker can get help of technical expert who can do setup in test taker device. And once the setup is done, expert can remotely connect to test taker device to choose answers for test takers. This method is 100% safe and secure, as in this method the software is totally undetectable by Pearson Vue and OnVue cannot close it. So this is the most secure method of cheating on Vue. If you're looking for help in any proctored exam that is proctored through OnVue, or any other proctoring software, you can get the expertise help by contacting at certgoat@gmail.com, or you can simply fill the form and get instant help. You can also visit certgoat.com for further details. Thanks for watching. How to cheat on Pearson Vue test. OnVue cheating tips and tricks, 2025.